SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad 320 laptop. Thank you, Sir Rustam, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The reason for his upgrade is that the laptop seems to be slowing down from turning on to using an application or by just navigating to the Windows menu. Removing the battery, removing the hard drive, unscrewing the heat sink, removing it, removing the heat sink fans, removing the dried out thermal compound, laptop deep cleaning is a vital maintenance task that should not be overlooked. By systematically removing dust and debris from both the exterior and interior of your laptop, you can prevent overheating, maintain performance, extend lifespan, improve air quality, and enhance aesthetics. Unpacking this Apacer 512 gigabytes 2.5 SSD, installing it, putting new thermal compound on the processor, putting back the heat sink fan together. Installing the battery, upgrading an older laptop with an SSD is a smart investment that offers substantial improvements in speed, reliability, and overall user experience. This upgrade can extend the usable life of your laptop, making it a cost-effective alternative. And purchasing a new device, putting the back cover, and screwing everything. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.